Hey beautiful souls, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I know that I have been shooting this video quite after a month, and I'll be honest that I haven't been consistent with my YouTube videos, as you all know, and even with my studies this past month, because I was sick for like 2 weeks, and after that I was just overwhelmed with everything. I had backlogs to complete, I had my school work, I had to complete my notebooks and everything. I think this is the right time to get back on track. So today is Sunday and there is lots of time to complete everything. And now let's clean up those backlogs, revise some topics, and let's complete some pending work of school. So yeah, now without wasting time, let's get started. So I took bath and I directly sat for shooting a video, and I have so much to do. So let's start with maths. Yeah, let's start with maths because I need to complete my maths notebook of school. We need to submit it tomorrow, so I need to complete it today. But before that, let's make a to-do list. If I make a to-do list, I'll get some idea of how much work I have to complete, and I can complete it systematically. So yeah, let's make a to-do list. Just now I went for lunch for half an hour. I took a break of half an hour. In the first session I studied for 2 hours, then I took break of half an hour, and now it's been 12:30. Taking break is really important. A lot of people think that studying for long hours without taking any break is the key to success. But I want to tell you something very important, that it's not about the number of hours you put in. It's all about how focused you are during that time. You could study for 4 to 5 hours with 100% focused and return more than someone studying for 8 hours full of distractions. Focused and quality study sessions are far more effective than the long and unproductive ones. It's all about being present, minimizing distractions, and giving your best during those focused hours. Don't stress if you're not putting in endless hours. Instead, focus on working smarter and being present in that moment while you're studying. And trust me, it's the key of mastering any subject. Maybe I gave you the tip of the day. And अब ज्ञान की बातें बंद करके पढ़ाई करते हैं. I studied from 4 to 5:30, and now let's take a break of 30 minutes. So I'm going to eat something in this break and I'll be back at 6 p.m. So yeah, let's go. I just love watching sunsets, and of course, who can hate watching sunsets? So my break was till 6, but I extended and I thought of starting at 6:30. So I came on terrace and now we are watching sunset together. It feels so therapeutic to watch sunsets. But we have no time, just 5 minutes, and after that we're going to start. It feels so beautiful. we are done with our, not actually we, I am done with my maths notebook completion, and now it's been 8 p.m. right now and we need to clear those backlogs. So yeah, maybe 2 of physics and 1 of bio, and if possible after clearing the backlogs I will solve the problem set of financial planning. Actually, solving the problem set of financial planning today is not that important because I'm actually ahead of my school syllabus and financial planning is not yet started in school. So I'll do it tomorrow, or maybe if possible I'll do it today if possible. So yeah, first of all, right now let's clean up those backlogs. Just now I went through the backlogs and I felt that there are not so many backlogs to clear, only 2 of physics and 1 of bio. And of bio, the lecture is of running lesson, like the chapter which is going right now. I have seen all the lectures of that chapter and only the last lecture is remained. It is behind. So more than that, I think I should write down the notes of the previous chapters which I learned. So I should bring those notes in routine and then I'm going to complete the backlog. I think that will be more helpful to me. So yeah, I'm going to write down those notes, and instead of clearing the backlog of physics and bio, and physics backlog, like 2 videos I need to watch. So those 2 I'll clear tomorrow. Yeah, simple. Let's start. I'm not gonna lie, I was not in the mood for notes or revisions anymore, but this book felt like the perfect way to slow down. The Alchemist. This book reminds me that the journey matters more than the speed, and today, just trying was enough. Today I didn't study anything new, but I just completed the pages I left behind, the ones I kept postponing for weeks. And clearing backlogs might not feel exciting, but today I reminded myself that consistency doesn't mean being perfect every day, but it means showing up every time you fall off. So if you have fallen behind, it's okay. Start today, because there's no better feeling than ticking off a to-do list, completing a messy notebook, and sleeping with a clear mind. Thank you for spending the day with me, and if you have been behind, I hope this video helps you to feel that you're not alone. Let's get back on track together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this video helped you, and thank you. Bye bye. Thank you.